Alright, here we got the Cat DX71. We are going to open this bad boy up. Check it out. 18 volts. Oh, the handle. Wow. Look at that. Super heavy duty case. Oh, that's so cool. It has a sideways handle. What the hell? That is epic. Alright, we got 2 sets of latches. Not sure why, but... Oh, wow. Look at that. Super heavy duty looking. Comes with 2 batteries, charger. Wow. The drill, oh my god. It's all metal. Like even this part here, this is all metal. Super heavy duty. Little heavier obviously because it's all metal, but oh my god. That is just very beautiful. It's like a DeWalt drill, I don't know, on something else because it's super heavy duty. Nice big clip. Beautiful. I love the padding for the case. Woo, that is so cool. Very nice. Extra battery. Awesome. Wow. That is amazing. Got 3 different speeds. Nice. Very nice. This is probably the most heavy dutyest drill I've ever seen. I mean, it's made by Cat, so what do we expect, right?